Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and you gotta love people like this, cleaning up the environment and all. They out here cleaning up. I'm out here because it's Throwback Thursdays, guys, and I got this U807 out here, one of my favorites of all time. I'm gonna be flying this with deviation. I'm gonna be flying it with the jumper. I got the original jumper here. And so this guy has to be flown on Fly Sky protocol, and you have to choose the WL Toys extension. I think it's the V6X6 extension. And so I'm about to get this guy up in the air. And now everything's right. One of my absolute favorites to fly. Check it out. I don't have flips programmed on here. Check out the funnel. Awesome funnel. Whoa! And it took a licking and kept on ticking. Might as well fly around something. Do a little bit of proximity out here. High flying. One of the awesome characteristics about this thing is it's super quiet. You probably can barely hear it through all the noise and stuff in the background here until I actually whiz by myself. Check this guy out. And I can't really tell if it's flashing or not. The sun is on it. Let's see. Nope, it's not flashing. That little green light in the back flashes all the time. Do a couple speed passes for y'all. Let's look at it. Check it out. The hoodie 807. The U807 it's called. Probably can't find it anymore. I actually have two of these, but I took one apart in order to match the different colors because I got two different colors. And I think I ended up needing to replace a part or losing a part for the other one, and I never did find it. And so I just been flying this guy around, just this one, dealing with just having one, and I guess I'm going to keep the other one for spare parts if anything ever happens to this one. Feels like it's getting a little weak now. Let's see, it's flashing. Don't really see it flashing. Yep, it looks like it's just ready to go down. I'm at full throttle now, and you see how slow it's going up in the air. So let's bring it in. I don't want it to actually fall. Super quiet, awesome little flyer with deep pitch and all, and a fast yaw rate. This is the hoodie U807. Throwback Thursdays. Awesome. Thanks for watching.